In data storytelling, structure is everything. This storytelling framework serves as your roadmap. First is introduction phase. Here, set the stage, introduce your audience to the context and the problem you are addressing with data. What is the story about and why does it matter? Then conflict. Identify the challenge or issue within your data. What's the problem that needs solving or the question that needs answering? This creates a sense of intrigue. Then climax. This is where your data takes center stage. Present your key findings or insights. What does the data reveal? Use visuals, charts, and narratives to build tension and curiosity. Then comes resolution. Offer solutions or recommendations based on your data analysis. How can the insights be applied? What action should be taken? This provides closure and direction. Then comes conclusion. Summarize the main takeaways and the impact of your data-driven story. Reiterate why it matters and what the audience should remember. This storytelling framework not only keeps your narrative organized but also keeps your audience engaged and eager to follow along as you unfold your data story.